Kaira and Kovu Part 11. The dawn of unity, the sky above the Pride Lands burned crimson, heavy with the smoke of battle. The echoes of roars still trembled through the valleys, but the Great War had ended. Silence fell, the kind that follows loss, and the promise of change. Kaira stood upon the ridge of Pride Rock, her fur marked with dust and scars. Below her, the once divided prides now gathered together. The sun broke through the clouds, bathing the land in a light that felt different. New Kovu limped toward her, his eyes tired but full of pride. "It's over," he said softly. "The war of the two realms is done." Kaira looked toward the horizon, where the last flames died among the savanna grass. "No," she whispered. "It's not over. Not until the wounds in our hearts heal." From the shadows, Rafiki appeared, leaning on his staff. The wise old mandrel's face was solemn, yet his eyes gleamed with hope. "The ancestors roar again," he said. "They see what you have done, and they are proud." Kovu bowed his head. "Many were lost." "Yes," Rafiki nodded. "But from loss comes learning. The circle does not end, young king. It renews." As he spoke, a faint golden glow shimmered above the clouds. The spirits of the past, Simba, Nala, and even Mufasa, appeared in the sky, watching silently. Simba's voice carried through the wind. "You have done what we could not. My children. You have united what time had divided." Kaira closed her eyes, her heart swelling with emotion. "Father, the roar nearly destroyed everything. I feared it more than I used it." Simba's spirit smiled. "Power is not meant to destroy or control. It is meant to guide. And you, my daughter, have learned that truth." Kovu stepped beside her. "What now? What becomes of the Pride Lands?" Before anyone could answer, a young cub stepped forward from the crowd. A cub with Kovu's eyes and Kaira's golden fur. The little one gazed up at them, full of curiosity and courage. "The future," Rafiki said quietly, smiling. "The circle continues." Kaira bent down, nuzzling the cub gently. "You will know a world where lions don't fight to rule, but to protect." Kovu placed his paw over hers. "Then let that be our legacy." As dawn broke fully, the Pride Lands came alive once more. The rivers ran clear. Herds returned, and the echoes of battle faded into songs of unity. That night, under the stars, Kaira and Kovu lay together beneath the great tree, listening to the whispers of the wind, the voices of ancestors now at peace. Rafiki watched from afar, smiling as he traced a new symbol on the stone, two lions facing each other, joined by a single circle. "The circle is whole again," he murmured, "and the dawn has begun." The camera rises slowly toward the heavens, where the stars shimmer brighter than ever, one glowing gold, another deep green, side by side. The legacy of Kaira and Kovu would be told for generations. A tale not of war, but of unity, love, and the roar that healed the world.